Greetings. Happy Monday. Hope you had a lovely weekend. Here we are. It's the last Monday of August. How has August been for you? I had talked a lot about August throughout this month of how powerful it's been. Have you been finding that too? That it's been a pretty pivotal changing month. So I'm showing up today because I do my usual letting go guidance session. And if you're here live, say hi. But before I begin, I just wanted to tell you about, hi Ruthann, good morning. I just wanted to tell you about a monthly gathering that I'm going to be hosting online called Ask the Tarot. And it's going to be on a platform called Learn It Live. I will put the link for it in the comments below. So I encourage you to register for that. I'm going to be doing it every month for the next few months anyways, just to see how you like that. And on the page where you'll be taken to with this link, hi Sonia, nice to see you here too. Sonia, I'm telling people about my monthly Ask the Tarot session that I'm going to be starting on the last Tuesday of every month. So it starts tomorrow. And you know what I just found out about tomorrow, which is kind of cool that I'm doing this, is it's Global Forgiveness Day. August 27th is Global Forgiveness Day. So I kind of think that's kind of an auspicious day for us to be checking in and doing a tarot reading. So it's tomorrow afternoon Eastern time. I believe it's 3, but I would need to confirm that on that page. And there's a Facebook group that I've set up too. So if you can't join us live, make sure you've joined my Facebook group for that, because you can ask your questions there and I will answer them live on the session too. Hope all that makes sense. Ask any questions about it in the comments below, but I look forward to getting that kicked off tomorrow. So let's just all land in this moment. Like I said, this has been an amazing month. I've actually noticed some really big shifts within myself and with my clients. It basically really feels like we are up leveling our commitment to being who we truly are, and to actually really letting go of the patterns, the habits, the mindset, the limitations that aren't helping us anymore, or which are distracting us being who we truly are at the core. So that being said, just take a nice deep breath with me. Let's land in the moment here. And you can maybe just let a question bubble up. It could be about a situation that you're in. It could be about an intention that you've been dancing in and out of making for yourself. Just ask the question, what is the best thing for me to let go of in this final week of August, so that I may be at best be of service or shine my light or align with my purpose? Whatever kind of resonates there for you, what's coming up. And hey, Randy, nice to see you here too. So what we're going to work on with this is a sense of lack. So where does that show up? A sense of lack, that can be kind of a devious one, Do you feel like you are not enough, or that you need more things, or that you need to learn more, or you need more money, or you need more people, or you need, so sense of lack like I said, it's a wee bit devious. So instead of focusing on looking at what you don't have, maybe this is time for you to acknowledge that. We have to be real with ourselves. There are things that we don't have. But when we get into that pining, that sort of sense of lack about it, that actually keeps it away. So energetically, we could turn our shift into saying, yes, I don't have that, but look at all the beautiful, awesome things I have in this moment. So see if you can turn that around for yourself and see, what does that mean to you when I say we're going to focus on letting go of that sense of lack. And I'm just going to read out to you out of my guidebook here with the letting go system to see if this brings up any more insights or ideas along that line too. So, have you been experiencing a sense that something is missing in your life? Have you ever tried to to make yourself feel better with something outside of yourself, in brackets such as a relationship, a new job, or buying yourself something, only to realize that underlying sense of unease is still there? Many of us go through life believing this is how it's supposed to be for us. We have been taught and then perpetuate the idea that if we feel we're lacking something, we must try and find it outside of ourselves. Truth be told, we already have everything we need within us, right here and right now. You may have been feeling a sense of lack in some way recently. Truth is, there's a steady flow of abundance in all ways about to show up for you. Keep an open heart and mind and continue to give and receive freely. Accept what the universe is offering you and know that you are worthy. That's a really important part too, because sometimes I hear people having that conversation about a sense of lack, and then they kind of go into comparing themselves with others. I don't have what that other person have or what that group of people have. So just see, like I said, it can kind of be sneaky. So take a deep breath and really acknowledge the beautiful, bright gift that you are. You are a gift. And by all means, that's what the journey of our life is, that we are becoming more and getting more and achieving more. But it's to enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey and acknowledge all the things that you have actually created and you have done. So as I'm just kind of riffing on that idea, I'm going to pull a tarot card. I've been doing this one. I added the tarot cards into this wee letting go session too, and just to get one card, and this is fun because look what's come up, is the Three of Cups. The Three of Cups is all about celebrating, and so that really underlines what I just said about celebrate and acknowledge what you do have as opposed to what you don't. And you see, when the more we celebrate what we do have and the gifts that we are and that what we bring, the more shows up. Remember, you get more of what you put your attention on. So when we focus on sense of lack, then kind of gets into more of that's what we see. So this is a time, like I said, we're in a powerful month still. And remember too that I said earlier that tomorrow, which is the first day of my Ask the Tarot monthly program, and like I said, I'm going to put the link for that for you to go find out and sign up for that in the comments below. But it's Global Forgiveness Day tomorrow. And so maybe you could even work on forgiving yourself for having this sense of lack too. Right? All forgiveness starts with self-forgiveness. So this is kind of beautifully lined up for us. And so just to wrap this up, what I'm doing now is I'm pulling 3 cards from Doreen Virtue's angel cards here, because I find these really help us with this sort of looking forward in the week. So first one, self-acceptance. So that's the really key piece, right? I talked a wee bit about us having this sense of lack. There's nothing wrong. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but the whole idea of letting go is never about judgment to say I'm less than, or I shoulda, woulda, coulda. It's to just say that served me well up until this point. Thank you very much. And I'm changing my ways, or I'm looking at all of the beautiful abundance that I have within me and around me. And this is actually extremely healing. This is the journey that we're all on together. And that's how come I'm so passionate about showing up here once a week with you, to just see what can we work on, because this is like a spiral upward. So we're working on letting go of a sense of lack. We're celebrating with joy, with that the abundance of the Three of Cups is so much about celebrating the uniqueness and the beauty that you are, that you bring to this world, and then accepting yourself and really looking at all the beautiful abundance that you already have that's right here. And this is part of your healing journey. I wish you a wonderful week, and I'd love to see you tomorrow on my Ask the Tarot card. Much love, and thank you for watching.